If you're still eating the way you did in your 30s, your body is secretly turning that food into fat and inflammation. Yes, even if it's healthy. And if you've been gaining weight, feeling bloated, or low on energy since you hit 40, this is why. What to eat after 40 is completely different. And today, I'm breaking the rules wide open. It's Coach the King. I help people above 40 lose stubborn weight, feel strong again, and move pain-free by cutting through the noise. Let's say this loud and clear. Healthy doesn't mean helpful, especially after 40. You could be eating healthy, you could be eating clean, you could be eating organic, plant-based, low-fat, whatever. But if the food you're eating don't match your hormones, don't match your digestion, and your recovery needs after 40, your body turns that clean eating into belly fat, bloat, and joint pain. But don't worry. I'm going to walk you through exactly what your body actually needs to eat after 40 to burn fat, build strength, and restore energy without giving up your favorite or starving yourself. Now, why does your old diet no longer work? Remember when you were younger? You skip a meal, you drop a kilo. You eat whatever you want, you just burn it off. Protein shakes plus salad was a fit life. But now, you're eating less but gaining more. You feel tired after meals. And no matter how clean you eat, the belly fat stays. Here's what's happening. Metabolism, your muscle mass, your hormones, and your gut health have all changed. Eating the same way you did at 30 is like putting the wrong fuel into a classic car. At this stage, your body is wiser, but it needs different fuel. Let's break it down. 5 truths about eating after 40. Number 1, you need more protein, not less. One of the biggest mistakes I see people over 40 cutting calories and cutting protein intake. Here's the truth. After 40, you start losing muscle naturally. And less muscle equals slower metabolism, which equals more fat storage. Protein is the only thing that stops that. It protects your muscles, it controls cravings, and it keeps your metabolism firing. Aim for 30 to 40 grams per day, 90 to 120 grams per day. Minimum. Lean meat, eggs, Greek yogurt, plant-based if needed. And no, too much protein won't harm your kidneys. That's outdated science. Number 2, you have to eat for hormones, not just calories. And this is where it gets deep. Calories have always mattered. Calories still matters. But hormone balance matters more now. Foods that spike insulin, like refined carbs, they cause fat storage, especially in your belly. Foods that calm cortisol, like magnesium-rich veggies, good fats, they help burn more fats. And protein helps with leptin and ghrelin, your hunger hormones. This is why a slice of toast and coffee in the morning keeps you craving for sugar, gaining belly fat, feeling tired by 10 a.m. Instead, you want to eat to regulate your hormones. What does it mean? Protein first, fats that reduce inflammation, controlled carbs that fuel, not crash you. Gut health is the hidden key. Let's talk about your gut. Even if you eat healthy, if your gut microbiome is off, you are bloated, you are inflamed, and you're storing more fat. After 40, gut health becomes fragile, thanks to stress, thanks to antibiotics, thanks to alcohol, and thanks to less movement. So what helps? Fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, probiotic fiber, asparagus, leeks, chia seeds, hydration plus magnesium, avoiding healthy foods that trigger you, like dairy, like gluten, like seed oils. Your belly fat might not be fat. It could be bloating plus inflammation. Number 4, you can't skip meals and expect to burn fat. Skipping breakfast, eating 1 meal a day, just drinking only coffee till noon. I get it. Fasting worked for a while, but after 40 it can backfire, seriously. You start slowing your metabolism. You undereat, you lose muscle, and you spike cortisol, which makes your body store fat out of survival mode. Here's what to do instead. Eat within 1 hour of waking up. Anchor your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Eat 2 to 3 solid meals daily with 45 hour carbs. No snacking unless it is strategic. Let me tell you a story about Jacob from London. He came to me eating clean, salad, smoothie, intermittent fasting. But his belly was full, his energy was low, and he wasn't sleeping well. He thought he had a slow metabolism. We did 3 things. We added protein to his meals. We replaced smoothies with real food. And we introduced fermented foods with magnesium. After 10 days, his bloating was gone. By week 3, he dropped 3 kgs with 0 cardio. And this is what he told me. Coach, I didn't know eating more could actually make me lose fat. That's what happens when you eat for your age, not your past. If you're over 40 and tired of eating clean with 0 results, I created a free 7-day meal reset plan that shows you exactly how to eat for fat loss, energy, and better digestion without cutting out entire food groups. Download it right now. It's on the description of this video and on the comment section. This is your new nutrition blueprint when you're already above 40. Number 1, protein is key. At every meal, it's non-negotiable. Number 2, healthy fats. They calm hormones. Think avocado, olive oil, fatty fish, nuts, all in moderation. Number 3, carbs are not the enemy, but they need control. Best carbs for people who are 40 plus: sweet potatoes, quinoa, legumes, berries, oats. That's if your gut tolerates them. Number 4, hydration is more than water. After 40, dehydration equals fatigue, it equals cravings, and it equals fat gain. Add some electrolytes, some herbal tea, some bone broth, some magnesium-rich water, or some supplements. Number 5, anti-inflammatory foods should dominate your plate. Think leafy greens, turmeric, berries, white salmon, olive oil, garlic plus ginger. They fight bloat, they reduce joint pain, and they boost recovery. Here's my final truth. You don't need a new diet. You need a new strategy that fits your age, your hormones, and your lifestyle. Eating like you're 30 won't work anymore, but that doesn't mean you're stuck. It means you are wiser now, and your nutrition should reflect that. This is not about restriction, it's about realignment. If you're overwhelmed and just want real direction, there's also a way to connect with me personally. No pressure, just clarity. Book a free consultation call. The link is below in the description of this video. Let's talk. And if this video helped you shift your perspective, don't keep it to yourself. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone over 40 who's been eating clean but getting nowhere. Drop a comment. What's one food you're second guessing right now? I'll tell you if it's helping or hurting. This is your season to redeem. Let's do it with wisdom. Let's get results. See you in the next video. Copy that.